Hello everyone, कैसे हैं आप सभी? So yes, I'm back again with another video, another topic. So yes, this is the day 5 of our becoming the best of ourselves, yeah, yourself. So today we will discuss a point about in people's life, like that is being grateful. Like being grateful is such an underrated thing in the market today. Like seriously, we are not considering us, like we are not considering the fact that we are having everything. Like I can seriously like talk, I can see, I can use my hands, I can use my body, I have legs, I can drive, I can run, I can swim, I can dance, I can cook, I can teach, I can learn, I can do anything I want. But still there are some people who are not being able to do some very basic things, like to go out or to run, to just to move, just to walk. Not even they can move their body a little bit because they are having some of the disease, some of the injuries, or some of the problem they maybe inherit from their parents. So one should be grateful and thankful to the God, and thankful to the positive energy that is surrounding you all the time, that is making you possibly the best person, being the best person of your life. So we should be thank you and possess this thing that in our mind, that we would be happy and we will not be sad about anything. Like we should be grateful. Overall the conclusion is that, because I let me tell you a story. Okay, so I was going somewhere today. So in the evening, something, it's evening 5 or 5:30 something, and it was raining in Jaipur. So still I have to go somewhere. So I was on scooty, I was driving normally, and I've seen some people who are standing in the rain, and they're having their mud houses and all, and they're protecting it like from that jhadfuk and that kind of cardboard and some type of wood material, something like they are trying and protecting their houses from the rain. So after looking at them, after watching them doing all the things, I just parked my scooty to a nearby chai station. So a chai tapri kind of. So I stand there for about 5-6 minutes and I watch. I forgot to record because I was all wet and my phone is in my bag. So I watched them very silently, very very in so much peace and in so much out of this world thinking. I was like, oh my god, like I should do something for them. Like why I can't do anything for them? I should be doing something for them. They are in their problem, they are facing their crisis, they are having all the things around them, and I was feeling very very sad. So this is the point I'm telling you. In life one should be grateful, and one should be grateful, and one should thank themselves, like thank to the God for giving such a life that we are surviving today. We are having good food, good life, good education, good future, good everything surrounding us is in a sort of a way is a better than these person who are living on roads, who are not earning anything, or if they are earning, they're not earning that well that they can afford anything, a good food or good life. They can't afford a good lifestyle, but still you and I are having at least a good phone. We can record, we can do something better for the society. But once people started earning, like not for you also, it's also for me. Like once anytime once I will get the job now, I will consider myself only. Because I will see that only if I am earning something, that income should be spent around me and my family only. I will never contribute it. I will never give it for the donation. Because we have this thinking like we are not earning that much to contribute. Now we have our own responsibility and we have our own wishes and to complete, and we have our family. But we don't think about the people who are residing like this. Like who will care for them? Like we should understand that. I'm not telling anyone, or not requesting anyone to donate anything. No, just be thankful to yourself that God gives you everything that you can earn. You can do anything you want. In short, you can just be yourself. Just do not demand anything. Just always be. एक चीज़ मैं बताती हूँ, मम्मी हमेशा ऐसे बोलती है हमेशा मुझे कि अपने से हमेशा छोटे को देख के चलना चाहिए, बड़े को देख के नहीं चलना चाहिए। बड़े को देख के चलते तो आपको हमेशा छोटा फील होगा, लेकिन छोटे को देख के आप चलोगे तो आपको हमेशा बड़ा फील होगा। लेकिन मैं सी कि मैं कितना महान हूँ, मैं महान इन द सेंस कि मेरे पास सब कुछ है, मैं सब कुछ इंजॉय कर सकता हूँ, लाइफ में आ सकता हूँ, जा सकता हूँ। बट वो पीपल ऐसे हैं, वो लोग ऐसे हैं जो जिनको हर चीज़ करने के लिए, कोई भी काम करने के लिए 10 बार सोचना पड़ता है, बिकॉज दे डोंट हैव एनीथिंग। कोई रिसोर्सेज नहीं है, थॉटफुलनेस नहीं है, और काफ़ी सारी चीज़ें, वो लोग ऑलरेडी इतने ज़्यादा बीमार रहते हैं, उनकी बॉडी में भी इतने सारा पेन होते हैं, तो बहुत परेशान रहते हैं वे लोग। तो आई एम टेलिंग यू दिस थिंग कि इट इज़ नॉट एन ईजी थिंग to be just to ignore these things. One need to understand that if you are having everything now, you have to be grateful. You have to think of other people also. If one can afford a better amount, one can afford everything now. If you are earning well, then just donate on 0.2-0.3% of your income. If you're earning very good, even if you're not earning good, just be thankful. If whatever you can, just donate some food, your clothes, or some sort of service you can donate. So in short, this is all for today's video. I'm telling you just to be grateful to the people surrounding you, to your family, to yourself, to your God. In front of your phone, in front of mirror, you can just remind yourself that you are the good, you are the best, and you are doing good. And you have to love your people surrounding you, and you also have to donate for the people who are not surrounding you, but still they are the part of your lives. So yes, that's all for today. This is the day 5 of becoming the best of yourself. I hope you guys are liking this video. I know I'm not good. I'm telling you this thing, I'm not good. I know this, but I'm still trying. I'm putting my thoughts in front of you so that I can put this embarrassment and put this thing out of me, so that I can speak in English and speak in Hindi also, and speak in front of you all, in front of the mirror. I mean, this is the mirror. So yes, and of course I suggest everyone to make a YouTube channel and to start a video. Just post anything you like, anything. Like I just like teaching. I'm a science teacher. I used to make science teaching videos also, and I used to make this selfie videos also. Like I can start this phone in front of me and just start recording. So yes, that's all for today. So just be grateful and be happy. Don't be sad. Just this is life, you know. Just be happy and be grateful, and of course love your parents and love yourself. So bye.